So let's say we have 1/5 and we want to divide 1/5 by 3. How do we go about doing that? Well, first let's convert this 3 into an improper fraction. So we're going to say 1/5 divided by 3 over 1. Now we have nothing but fractions to work with. But because it's a division, we still need to change that to a multiplication problem. So again, very simple. We're going to bring the 1/5 over here. Then we're going to change that division symbol into a multiplication symbol. And then we're going to take the reciprocal of 3 over 1, which is 1 over 3. Now we have two fractions that we can simply multiply together. So we multiply 1 times 1, which is 1, and 5 times 3, which is 15. And that is our answer. Let's try another example. Let's say we have 2/3, and we want to divide 2/3 by 5. So again, it's a very simple process. We're simply going to change everything to fractions first. So we have 2/3 divided by 5 over 1. And before we begin to solve this, let's change that division symbol to a multiplication symbol. So now we have 2/3 times 1 over 5. As you see here, we took the reciprocal of 5 over 1 and turned it into 1 over 5. Now we can simply multiply across to find our answer. 2 times 1 is 2. And 3 times 5 is 15, and that's our final answer. For our final example, let's say we have a fraction like 2 over 9, and we want to divide that by 4. Again, it's a very simple process. Let's first turn everything into a fraction. So we have 2/9, and we're going to bring the division symbol over because we're not multiplying yet. And then we're going to turn this into an improper fraction, which is 4 over 1. Now, all we need to do is change that division symbol into a multiplication symbol. So we bring the 2/9 over, and then we're going to take the reciprocal of 4 over 1, which is 1 over 4. But now that we have these fractions, we see that we have some values here that can be broken down into prime numbers only. So let's come down here and say 2 over 9, and we're going to multiply that by, well, we see here that 4 can be broken down into two prime numbers, 2 times 2. And we see that we can cancel out this 2 and this 2, which now gives us 1 and 1, and then we multiply across. 1 times 1 is 1, and 9 times 2 is 18. So 2/9 divided by 4 is actually 1/18.